hapon na binigay sa aton nga pinalanggang nga mayor ni Raisan Riñas, Padre Zelda, sa San Jose Church, ang amon nga presidente.
Number 1, representing Estancia, Yanica Brasilia Nagae.
Pagdanaw ng Pagod from Iagao.
And joining us here, we have the candidates from Tubuan, Lorraine, Tahonera. Thank you very much,
MG, yes. Kung nakita ninyo, ladies and gentlemen, ang kinasakyan sa kaso ng mga kandidata, ang mga salakyan sa MG. Thank you very much, MG. And our next candidate is Christian Danica Ferguson from Bandiangan.
We also have with us candidate number 5 from Yetao West, Mitch Samson.
And nakapasunod naman na ating next candidate number 6, Zesta Shalom Espinosa from Manila.
From Manila, kasama makita sa Pototan, candidate number 7, Angel Godinez Teruel.
And now please welcome candidate number 8, Hannah Tiffany Carmine Kristen from Antigua.
And now let's have the candidate from the city proper. Candidate number 9, Shell Bridel Zamora Rivero.
Panapakan natin ang ating mga kandidata. And now get ready for candidate number 10, Jessica May Gatungay from Iba.
We now have candidate number 11 from La Paz, Patricia Leda Pierda.
And to complete our grabe ka mga katahong sa ating mga kandidata. Punday mga saan.
Would like to, you know what? I also hosted Sagapon.
Yes.
Costume competition.
How was it? Like, very quickly. Kamusta?
Aside syempre, no, mga gwapa sa yung candidates, amazing din ang artistry sa ating mga Ilonggo designers.
Sabi mo pala, level up man sila. It's so nice that they get to find all of the inspirations here in Iloilo City para ipag-letaw sino. There you go. Thank you very much. Tribo, Balaan, sa muna ba yung Jordan? Ready na kita sa next. Pero, aray, nang miss ko kita.
especially sa mga nilagyan. Like, nag-co-host na kami last year, diri.
Kita!
Kita! Tama? Oo.
Hindi namo kita, babe.
August Proud.
Ang abi ko ba, don't forget ang balikbayan.
Wow, eh.
Balik sa ano nila. Kanabigan, every time we have visitors coming in, nakatingin na sila, wow!
And of course, no, later on, kakadamo din subong sa aton, please, pagkatapos sa aton ka event, bitbit naman ato ng aton niya, mga basura.
Hindi kayo ginapahanong lang sa tanan niya. Although we have our sweepers, our cleaners, but it is also our duty na itaya ang mahimo sa aton ng kalan. Alright? So, ready na ang aton madason ng tribo.
Let's welcome John Swelon. We have the musical director, Mr. Ryan De Maulo. Ruiz Katahay, Assistant Musical Director.
For the dance master, we have Mr. Salon John Suelon, costume designer Rafi Cayetano, and Franz Garcia.
Production Manager, Mr. Jamer Carlas and Mr. Mark Bernaldez. And the Artistic Director still, Mr. Mark Bernaldez.
Sa liwan, ginapahanong nato ng tanan kapitbahay ay inisumong live sa Freedom Grandstand na mapinuligay lang kita. Balsi may mga harap kita na sa mga pagkaon or mga plastic ang inyong mga botelya sa inyong mga inipnon. Please make sure na laloon natin inigat i-dispose natin sa insakto na halabuyan.
At syempre gusto na i-invite ka rin, especially ang ato niya mga bisita na maabot pa lang. But on the week, our Tinagyang week, Thursday pa lang, ma-open na ang ato niya food festival. Ready naman sila after sa ato Sunset Tribes. We will be seeing the opening salvo performances of our Tinagyang tribe competing tribe, sorry.
Yes.
Contingents, madali ang balon ko.
Okay lang na, wala kasi. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you keep on sharing our live right now para makita niya sa inyong mga pamilya all around the world na nagkakatabo na yung aton niya official opening salvo sa Tinagyang Festival 2026. And again, nagahingyo lang kami, no smoking or no vaping sa bilog na Iloilo, especially diri sa aton venue katintuman sa sports complex.
And of course, so, luyat na ito invite ka na as what I have mentioned earlier. Thursday pa lang magabukas na ang Food Fest. Friday, ato na makitaan ang ato nga illumination.
Yes! So excited for illumination!
Sabado, ang aton kasabiyahan sa kabanwahanan.
At syempre, pagka Domingo, ang kinahulat-hulagin sa tanan, ang Iloilo Tinagyang Festival Tribes Competition sa hapon, sad-sad sa Kaliria. At syempre, ang aton nga awarding or awards night. Ayan! Kaya sa jazz ang tanan.
Actually, preparar na kamo sa resistensya, vitamins, because 1 week inaya nga masadya, inaya. Kaya ako na muna sa mga happening sa bilog nga syudad. Kay Luyat naton, nga ang kada Ilonggo, masadya din, especially during Tinagyang Week. Because this is our very own celebration na syempre, no, all eyes on us because sa Tinagyang Festival. Kumbaga ginabantayan na sa tanan sa bilog ng Pilipinas.
And speaking of binabantayan sa tanan, all eyes on us literally because we have a lot of phones, cameras watching us right now, especially natin mga friends from the media, from the mainstream, from the digital media. Hello, Chan!
At the friends for the media, thank you very much.
Hi! Nakabaw mga picture na guwapa naman kami. Guwapo, man kami na ni Jordan, ha? Tagyo ka
Ang gulo na. And Jude Rex Tamdam. The costume designer, Mr. Genesis Casey Rile, and still Jude Rex Tamdam.
and artistic director, Mr. George Suspiria Jr. and Mr. Ramil Huyatin.
Grabe, ano? Kanabi, una pa lang to, ha? Pero, it reminded us of our Ilonggo heroes who really fought so hard. Siyempre sa ilang mga battles before, like General Martin Delgado.
The liberator of Iloilo, he led the Revolutionary Army in Visayas against the Spanish or the Spaniards. He was also respected and that even the Spanish forces admired his leadership.
Siyempre, alaman si Teresa Magbanwa, the Joan of Arc of the Visayas. She was a school teacher from Pototan who traded her chalk for a sword. She was the very first woman in Panay to lead troops in battles. She's the ultimate main character of Ilonggo history.
Now, ang next naman, we have Captain Jose Canugas, a World War II hero, and the first Filipino to receive the U.S. Medal of Honor. He was a mess sergeant who ran through intense fire to man a cannon when the crew was killed. Talk about bravery.
We have General Adriano Hernandez, the hero of Tingle, who led the cry of Likud. He was a brilliant strategist and one of the most trusted generals in the revolution.
And the soldiers of Molo mentioned, and of course we have the Araneta brothers, Pablo and Marciano from Molo, who were instrumental in the Negros and Panay revolutions. And
Reminded us of the bravery that we Ilonggos have.
yes, and also, if you want to talk about Molo, syempre, ang Molo is the Athens of the Philippines. Molo, it's not just a district, but it's an intellectual powerhouse. Now, it earned its nickname because it produced a massive number of philosophers, chief justices, and political leaders. Eh, padahong pa.
Namin a fun fact. I was 30 years old.
Yes.
Thanks. And District of Lapuz. Grabe, no? It reminds us naman this time of the many achievements sa syudad sa Iloilo. Truly, it makes me proud to be an Ilonggo.
Dahil man, hindi lang isa, hindi lang duwag kita pupunta na mo. Yeah. Yes, imagine that. And thank you for reminding us.
Yes.
What a great way to start our competition here or performances here. Again, ang ating artistic team. We have the tribe manager, Honorable James P. Conlu.
The choreographer, Mr. Romel Floe.
Jordan, daling lang, may share ko malahanan sa ibo. Kabalong ka sa una, sa bata, pakuha. Sa hindi ko pa pala mabalaan din ang streets and ang mga nagkalaylay na distrito din sa Iloilo. Sa una, na-confuse ko na sa Lapas, Kaglapos. Di ba lang?
Yung isa wrong spelling lang. It's a jeep, diba? La Paz and Lapuz. Yung mga naman, separate ka sila or ano?
Oo, but eventually, I learned, because of course, mas mag-adulting ka na, you learn the things, and I hope you're learning also with us. And ano na ito galing ginambal mo, it used to be part of La Paz. Tama?
It became its own district in 2008.
Wow. Actually, very recent lang, no? If you think about it. Yes. So, and then the rail connection. Now, historically, Lapuz was a major terminal for the Panay Railways. It was a hub where sugar from the provinces met the ships for export. Diba? Gani, oo, very informative. Ang atong ka-adlaw sa mo, ang atong ka-opening sa mo. For sure, madamo pa kita sa ma-learn kay this is just the second tribe. So, sa mga nagalataw again, ang first the tribe kag second tribe, paadto na sa sports complex. So, ano pag ginahulat mo? Go na dito. Pero lisensya anay, ha? Kay mama.
Itself as a formidable force of Dinagyang or in Dinagyang because they are representing the historical significance of Panay Island and the establishment of Spanish settlement under Miguel Lopez de Legazpi.
And Sigmo Panay also represented the Dinagyang Festival in the 150th Philippine Independence Day celebration in New York, USA, last June 5, 2011. And it likewise performed in Washington, D.C., June 12 of the same year. And on July 23, 2012, the tribe invaded the island of Guam, USA for another international performance, bringing pride and excitement for more Filipinos abroad to witness the spirit of the Dinagyang revelry.
Ang ilang championship record, back-to-back champion sa 2011 and 2012 and ang champion sila liwan sa 2024 which they reclaimed after a 12-year drought.
Grabe no, 12 years kid, nagulat din sila. And last year, 2025, first runner-up with, of course, a big prize.
Grabe, no, kinain ang ilang concept tapos excited mo sa ilang performance kasi Dinagyang which will be on January 25th. Correct? That will be a Sunday, very Sunday, Freedom Grandstand sa the judging area sa Labas and of course, the Iloilo Sports Complex.
Yeah, so liwadon nato ang schedule nato para matandaan ninyo, nagkamarkahan na natin yung kalendaryo pag makalibo na mo sa mga plano nyo. So,
dira sa ato yung princess until Sunday ina siya. And then sa Friday naman, ato na makitaan ang illumination.
Sino ayan? Ang kakampiyon sa mga tuig. Mamalaan nato nila. Kung malataw kita sa ato na illumination on Friday, that is
January 23.
23.
Yes, January 24 naman, Sabado ng adlaw, kanto naman kita sa judging areas natin para sa ato nga kasadyahan sa kabanwahanan.
Hindi natin makitaan kung ano naman yung ipiparahan sa aton ng mga contenders or aton ng mga kabanwahanan na nag-join
Mga
niya.
contingents natin.
Yes. And finally, of course, ang inahulat-ulat sa tanan, ang Tribes Competition on Sunday. Hindi sa Freedom and sa Labas and sa Sports Complex. Nangyaaga pa na iyan, pero pagkahapon at 2 p.m., mag-umpisa ang sadsad sa Kalye Rian.
And of course, sa gabi, ang ato nga awarding ceremony diri sa Freedom Grandstand. Alright? Diri sa Freedom Grandstand.
Mag-share mo na sila sa aton. They're also our friends. So, let's see later on. Gani, sa mga ari dire, once matapos sa aton ang pito na tribo, pwede ka muna ka-diretso. Ulat ang buwan yung pagkaruan sa sports complex. Naglali naman nila experience.
Dali naman siya.
Oo, kailangan ko naman niya sa babaw. Gani, free lang for today for our opening sago para mamadaan nyo na kung ano man ang dapat yung experience sa sports complex.
Ang ato nakita kagina, ang trio pagkitaes, ang ilang opening salvo concept as what we have seen ang Dragon Bones.
Yes, kalakila naman niya ang Tribes Competition endemic species, Philippine long-tailed monkey. Ang muna ito nga, nililita natin ang ilang synopsis. And again, representing La Paz National High School from the district of La Paz, Iloilo City.
And did you know na ang tribe una nag-intra sa 1999 and has since become a powerhouse in Philippine festival competition.
So for their championship record, ang Grand Slam champion 2008, 2009, and 2010. Ang champion naman sa 2002, 2003, 2013, 2020, and 2025.
The 2025 Dinagyaw saw Tribo Paniday reclaim the crown with their breathtaking Tree of Life performance, first cycle of life. The performance delivered a profound message of faith to Señor Santo Niño and environmental stewardship.
Their musical director, Mr. Raymond Perolino.
And their production designer, Mr. Steve Magbalwa, Costume Usala Jr., and the artistic director,
Mr. Gino Francis Santillana.
you know what, partner? Ang Tribo Ilayangon is a unique entry in the competition as it represents an elementary school.
Wow.
Grabe, no?
Yes, bringing youthful energy and
costume designer, Mr. Roger John Arsenal.
And artistic director, Mr. Jomar Sustento, and Ron, Mr. Gerald Hedeblazo.
And we also have Mr. Michael Avilanas and Mr. Edgardo Amar as the artistic director.
There you go. So thank you very much, Tribo Ilocano. Again, that Tribo Ilocano is ang last after the try the race of freedom grandstand. Magkakanto na sila sa sports complex. Galing sa inyo nila, diretsyo na kabuto and experience kung ano ba na maganda sa sports complex. Matapos pa kami sa ika-share ni Jordan sa highlights na, which is January 25.
So see you all there. Whether sa Iloilo Freedom Grandstand, Kamamalakaw, sa La Paz, sa
Sports complex.
Sports Complex, o kung sa TV man, o kung sa iyong mga cellphone, ang importante, kung kita ma-experience ang Nagyang Festival
2026.
2026.
That is right. Ganyan Palibat, please again follow all our official pages in the city government, the IFFI page, the Mayor Raisa Treyes. Para updated ka mo with everything and all your questions. Follow niyo kami, Jordan Toledo
And Kate
Chavez with the CPH.
There you have it, friends. Mga kasimalo mga ilang pa ang mga bisita. This concludes the opening salvo of the Iloilo Nagyang Festival 2026. This has been your host, my name is Jordan Toledo.
Again, for your opening salvo, my name is Kate Chavez and
Happy Ginagawa!
Happy Toledo!
Viva Santo Niño!
Viva! Viva! Viva!
Viva!
Benedictia, thank you.
One, two, three, go.
Sige na,
One, two, three, go.